Hi everyone, it's Tia of Losika Writes. I am here for our first YouTube episode of Ithute Setswana. So I'm hoping that you can join me on this journey to teach everyone and anyone Setswana. To me, it's an exciting language, and here we are. So dumelang kochai, dumelang wherever you might be. And that is a nice segue, I guess, to our first topic of the day, which is to say hello. Hello. Dumela. In Setswana, we say dumela. Dumela. So dumela is what we use for everybody, but you can be a bit more specific. So you can say dumela and say the name of the person that you're saying hello to. So dumela Kudlo, dumela Lucy, dumela whoever. Or you could say dumelang if there's a bit of respect or there's more than one person that you're saying hello to. So dumelang or dumelang. Or you could say dumelara. Dumelara. Dumelara is when you would what you would say if you were saying hello to a male person. So dumelara, ra being a male person. And dumela ma if it is a female person. So dumela, just generic dumela, or dumela Samson, dumela Neo, or dumelang to a lot more people, or to show respect. If someone is older than you, then you'd usually say dumelang, or dumelama, dumelara, depending on whether it's a male or female person that you're saying hello to. Yay! Just tidbits. That's exciting.